Any questions regarding this one?
Looks good.
So far, okay. So right now, because they're installing the riding ring, so
Okay.
we should probably wait a little bit to, and then you can go inside or whatever.
Okay.
Because right now they're installing the riding ring. So if you want to go inside right now, then they have to stop.
No. I see.
他不是今天吗？今天人呢？
去拿工具了。Yeah, they're installing the riding ring right now.
So after that we start welding, yes?
What?
The ring?
I think so. 这轮带套上去之后是点焊，先点牢是吧？
对。
Yes, I just confirm. There will be tech weldings after they put the riding rings on. They're installing the riding ring right now. So if we go inside right now, then they have to stop. So maybe we can just wait for you a little bit until there is after the riding ring installed, and we can go inside and do an inspection. Yeah. And also the electrical guy should be coming very soon. He's getting the tools to loosen the nuts that connect to the cable, and then he will put that on the auxiliary motor and to do a test run, show you.
Okay. About front panel, will be finished today, yes?
What?
Front panel.
Front panel?
Front panel.
Front panel, yeah. I just checked this morning. They said all the dimensions can be measured right now.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just checked like 20 minutes ago.
When will you start NDT testing?
The ND testing, I have to check.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to check. But the dimensions, they said, is all finished. The welding is all done, so you can check the dimensions. Yeah.
Masz też taką kreskę? Generalnie po tej stronie jest.